Hey everyone, welcome back to Food Junkies. Today we are making a super refreshing and light lemon coriander soup. Perfect for those cozy days or when you need something healthy and delicious with a tangy kick from the lemon and fresh aromatic coriander. This soup is not just tasty but also packed with flavors. Let's get cooking. For that, take a pan, add oil, green chili paste and ginger paste. Let it saute for some time. Add some healthy veggies, that is cabbage, red bell peppers, capsicum, broccoli, baby corns, and saute it well. As we dive into the popularity of lemon coriander soup is a popular dish in India known for its light, refreshing, and flavorful profile, a perfect balance of tangy lemon and aromatic coriander. This soup offers a unique blend of tastes that are both comforting and rejuvenating. It is often served as a starter or a light meal, especially during the colder months or when you are feeling under the weather, thanks to its soothing properties. In India, soups are often seen as a healthy and easy way to incorporate vegetables into one's diet, and lemon coriander soup fits this perfectly. The use of fresh coriander adds a herbal fragrance, while lemon provides a burst of citrusy freshness, making it not only a flavorful dish but also a digestive aid. Ingredients like grated carrots, corns, and sometimes a dash of soy sauce or pepper brings in subtle sweetness and a mild spice, enhancing the soup's complexity. This soup can become a favorite in Indian restaurants and street food stalls, particularly in urban areas. Its popularity can be attributed to its lightness, making it ideal for warm climates, as well as its ability to balance tanginess, sweetness, and spice, which appeals to the diverse Indian plate. Whether enjoyed as a snack or a starter, lemon coriander soup is a perfect example of how simple ingredients can come together to create a dish that is both nourishing and bursting with flavors. Here we are, too close from making tangy, spicy, and delicious lemon coriander soup. After sauteing all the veggies properly, add premixed soup and water and stir it well. Note that no lump should be present. After some time, add chaat masala, black pepper, salt, and mix it well. Check on the consistency of the soup. It should be medium thick. Add the coriander leaves for garnishing. And that's it for our refreshing lemon coriander soup. It's light, flavorful, and the perfect way to brighten up your day. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more delicious dishes. See you in the next video.